everyone, welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Bharwa Bhindi recipe. And guys, this recipe is so good that even if you don't like bhindi, you're going to definitely like this. So now let's proceed with our recipe. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need 200 grams of bhindi, which is okra, 2 medium-sized potatoes, which is aloo, 1 cup of cilantro, which is fresh dhania, half cup of fresh grated coconut, which is kaddukas kiya hua gila nariyal, half teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin coriander powder, which is dhania jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is shakar, this is totally optional, pinch of hing, salt as per your taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And now let's begin our process. So guys, let's start with the prep work. I've already washed and dried the bhindi. Now I'm going to remove the top and the bottom part. And now I'm going to slit the bhindi like this, not all the way through, just this much. See, it's not going all the way through. And we are just simply going to repeat the same with the rest of the bhindi. So guys, our prep work is done. I've already removed the top and the bottom part of all the bhindis and made a slit like this. And I've also cut the potatoes in vertical cuts like this. And now let's keep this aside and let's start working on our masala. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. So guys, in a large bowl, let's first add the dhania, then the grated coconut, then the Kashmiri red chili powder, the dhania jeera powder, the turmeric powder, the sugar. Now as I said guys, this is optional, but I feel that this really balances out the taste, and salt as per your taste. Let's also add a teaspoon of oil in here. And now let's mix everything in. The masala is looking really good. And now guys, let's just take the bhindi, one of the bhindis in which we had made the split. Using your clean hands, let's stuff it up like this. Don't overdo it, just a little bit should suffice. Perfect. Just make sure nothing is coming out too much and press it again so that it kind of locks the bhindi. And that is what we're going to do with the rest of the bhindis. Let me show you one more. So here we go. Let's stuff it like this. Remove any excess which is coming out. Press it down and lock it. And let's just prepare all of them like this. So now guys, everything is ready. Potatoes are sliced. I've stuffed the bhindi, okra, lady's finger with this masala, and I have kept a little bit of masala aside. We are going to need it later on. And now let's start cooking. So guys, now in a kadai, let's add some oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the hing, which is asafoetida, and then I'm going to add the potatoes. And now let's stir the potatoes for just about a minute. After a minute, let's start adding our stuffed bhindi. And give it a very gentle stir. Once you have gently mixed, let's cover the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. Make sure to stir it in intervals. So guys, it's been about 7 to 8 minutes. So let's remove the cover and just mix our bhindi again. Wow, smelling amazing. And now guys, it's time for us to add that remaining masala. So we are just going to sprinkle it like this. See, the reason we didn't add this masala in the beginning is because if you add it along with the bhindi and the potatoes, then this masala is going to burn. So you don't want that. Now is the right time to add that extra masala. Mix it nicely. Let the potatoes and the bhindi outer surface get covered with this masala. And now let's cover and cook it again for the next 7 to 8 minutes on a low flame. Remember to stir it in intervals. So guys, it's been again 6 to 7 minutes and now let's remove the lid. Wow, look at our sabji. It's looking really awesome. Let's turn off the flame and let's remove it in a serving bowl. And guys, our Bharwa Bhindi or stuffed okra is ready, and isn't it looking just absolutely delicious? Guys, do make this. It is really delicious. And even if you are a Jain and don't eat onions or lasun, you can still make this. And guys, I forgot to tell you, this is my grandmother's recipe. I totally vouch on this recipe. Make it. It will not fail you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and please do hit on the subscribe button. And if you did like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links and do share my recipes with your friends and family. And meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.